Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
This alley is too narrow also. Huh? What? Slow down! You're in danger!
Mr. Builder, he told me there's nothing better for feeding roofs. This time?
Rogie, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. I was too hard on you.
Baker, let's go! You're on!
You're in. What?
Going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out of
The biggest bump of all.
Whoa! Cinders and ashes!
The freight car's bound.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it in!
Kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I mean, except the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins.
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa! On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
Later, it's so good to see you.
You too, buddy. Oh, man, you ain't gonna believe the things I...
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Changes? What kind of changes?
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
Winslow, when Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama, just like you miss your
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm not...
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
Oh, that crazy old devil.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Wiggle Builder!
McQueen and Sally, work beneath the tape. K-I-S-S.
Oh, is that right?
Then why don't we just have a little race, me and you?
Hey!
Oh, Lightning, come on. You've done the work. Now move on to the next phase and reap the reward.
What just happened?
La grua di corretto! Quieto! Corretto! Recto!
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le minicari non funzionano!
Well, what's he saying?